How to lose your belly fat in 3 weeks. Men and women who have a lot of belly fat are at a higher risk for heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Although you won't be able to lose all of your belly fat in 3 weeks, you will be able to decrease it and create a change in lifestyle habits to continue losing it, and more importantly, keep it off. The most important things to pay attention to when losing belly fat is your diet and exercise. Requirements: yoga mat, fiber pills. Eat healthy foods. Eat whole and unprocessed foods instead of processed foods. Eat foods that are rich in protein such as eggs, fish, meat, and whey. Vegetables and fruits should be a part of your regular diet as well. Cut back your intake on carbohydrates-rich foods such as potatoes, rice, breads, and pasta. You may eat a little of these after exercising. Increase your consumption of soluble fiber. One of the easiest ways to do this is to take 20 to 35 grams per day of psyllium husk. This is the external part of wheat and will help to cleanse your small and large intestine. Decrease bloating, which will flatten your stomach, and reduce fat absorption. Do incline sit-ups. Prop your leg up on the side of your bed and lie down on the floor so that your legs are above your head. Slowly lift your back up off the floor and bring your head toward your knees. Do 20 to 30 repetitions and rest for a few minutes. Do 3 sets. Try to increase to 50 repetitions. Add weights to your incline sit-up routine. Lay a light weight across your chest. You can start off with 5 pounds and begin using more as your abs get stronger. Cross your arms across the weight and rise slowly. Make sure that you don't feel too much strain on your lower back. If you do, decrease the weight. Start off with 10 repetitions and build up to 20, then 30. Run sprints. This is one of the best cardio exercises for improving abs because it forces you to take deep breaths and gives you a complete body workout. Start off running 20-yard sprints as fast as you can. Do this 5 times and build up to doing it 10 times, 3 times per week. Replace drinking alcohol and soda with drinking water, green tea, and fruit juices. There are a lot of empty calories in alcohol and soft drinks. Changing your drinking habits alone can decrease your calories by 25%. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and share.